So we probably might not be able to hold this shit. We might have to take a L, son. Unfortunately, I don't think that shit gonna do it. That's why it's good to always be reactional and not proactive in the market. Being proactive does not work in the market. So ain't nobody there. Ain't nobody home, son. I see clothes blow. 747. Oh, this bitch not. Oh, come on, son. It's probably just a retest. So ain't shit down here to 740, 747.20. Yeah, 747.20. Yeah, I think it's gonna continue down. What this is? What call is this? 748. That bitch in the money now. The fuck I'm looking at? Am I looking at the right call? Oh, I gotta. Yeah, put trip. Now this bitch pulling back again. Let's take one off at 140. We're gonna take another one at the high, which is 168. So we do like 165. In case that whole stall out or some shit. Probably should do less than that. And the pivot is at 200 just in case it takes TV3. Probably won't. But looking at the order blocks, there's no nothing, son. There's nothing there. So we might as well just keep going now. What? Motherfucker trying to be all modest and shit. Hit 24. And went right back down. And then went right back up. And we didn't take profit yet? I'm not far from it. Got one. How much is it down today? It's right down $9. Oh no, the bitch did turned around. It's buying. But shit, but nah, that shit fake, man. This shit fake. If you look at the order blocks, that shit fake. It's like it's buying. You can see that buying pressure is coming in, but shit, that shit ain't sustainable. It don't look sustainable. No, man. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go hit 160. No, we got one left. I just leave that one running. Just see what it do. See what it do, what it do. See if it do what it do. It might start coming back to the median. I don't know, son. There's just no fucking buying there's not enough buying pressure. I would just hold it. That be going all the way back. It just don't seem like there's enough buying pressure. Like buyers are not stepping in enough. There's not enough orders there. In fact, I ain't even looking at the order block. See, there's still more sellers than buyers. They got some buyers. They got some buyers over here at 747.20. And see that I was saying 747.20 is 740. Didn't I say 747.20? Yeah. All right, right now, as of right now, they battling it out right now. Right now. But it don't look like they're gonna win it because all right, so you got 2K, 3K at 747, 75. But shit, you got 6K on the sales at 670 at 747 9. Like niggas is selling this shit. Oh, well, I'm just gonna hold that put. Even if I just keep one. Well, that was down 30%. So all we doing is using this bitch edge. Mm-hmm. Cause shit, we was down like $30. So not only did we go positive $30, we was actually down $30. So we actually made 60. Shit, be out of fuck. We didn't hit our goal for the day. Yeah, 41 right there. How much we done made so far from this trade? 28 and 30. That's 58 plus another 56. Yeah, so we made fucking right. We made $100 today. But we up $100 today. If we close it out right now, we done made our money for the day. The only thing that's killing us is that fucking credit spread. Well, we got so much time on it, so we just gonna leave. And it's still, mm, we still got space. We got a little space. We really don't have that much space. We at the 745. We're at the 746. Can it go that low? Everything looking like it might. Like I said, this is just a hedge at this point. This is just a whole, just in case that bitch going, which it is. It's still going. So as long as this bitch going, we just gonna keep letting it go. Cause fuck, this bitch might take profit and then so. He's looking like it. Mm-hmm. That bitch gonna take profit, son. That bitch about to hit take profit, son. I'm gonna just let it hit take profit for the round. Son. Yeah, there you go. That bitch down $10 on the day, son. And I'm up 4%. And that bitch still going. Son, this bitch gotta stop at some point, son. It's not, son. It's fuck. Okay, all right. We gotta stop the bleeding. Let's see what happens right here. It didn't finally close that gap. I told you it was probably gonna close that gap. It didn't close that gap. Let's see if we can find some support right here. And we're not. We are not gonna find any support. I got it. Close it. Fuck, man. Three. I gotta get that bread. I'm sorry. I know that nigga gonna probably be pissed with me. And watch that bitch start coming back. Nah, that bitch still going, son. Let's lock in this lows. Come on, nigga. Wait, what the fuck? Two options trade. I know you fuck. What time it is? It ain't even 12 o'clock. I don't know. That be. I don't know why I be having so much bad luck with the joint account, son. Yeah, son. That was in turn clean back around, son. This shit was just hell. So now since we can day trade in that, guess what we're gonna do, son? It's the only account that's green right now. Everything else down tremendously. I'm on 4% in this one account because I decided to go get a put. It's still gone. So I stay a little bit more patient. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day. I think I'm gonna just chill. I'm gonna hold on to the credit spread. You probably need to close the debit spread. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Down $37 in this bitch. It's like that bitch just cannot stay above $400. I'm down $50 on the week. We was just up, son. We was just up like $20. So I got like around 470 in this bitch. You know, about 450. It was at 470. Now we back at 4. Down, down, down. 27 shares, 16. Pretty much out. Yep, that bitch going low. Damn, what should I held on to that fucking put? Should just let it run. Cause we would have been at 2,500 right now. This is why I love being in cash. This correction was needed though. I ain't gonna front. As fucked up as it sound, Buku shit was overpriced. We gonna probably do next week and pretty much just focus on. Man, we down $360. We've come back from it before. we've done we've done it. We've done it plenty of times. We was down. We was down what? We was down to like $700 one time. Yeah, when we first started, we took an L and we was down seven. We was down like 300. We was down to $700. We down like $300, and we brought that shit back all the way up to what we got it to 1,200, almost $1,300 before we started going backwards. So it could be done. Don't worry about it. We'll get back on it Monday. Monday we just gonna take shots on that one. We're gonna focus on getting that one up. I like this shit. This level 2 order block shit. I like it. Cause it tell you a lot. So 11:45 is where a lot of people are. There's a lot of support right there. 11:45 now. I could see that bitch not bouncing at 11:45. It might. It might. They got 11,000 fucking orders there. Plus you got 4,000 under that. You got 5,000 here. I don't know. I think it can keep going down to 7:45, but I don't think it's gonna be. Go lower than that. How much the Perry going for 7.5? I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about averaging down. Yeah, I don't like averaging down in bad trades though. If that bitch are showing some life, like we done, shit, I might. But then again, nah, cause like let's say something happened over the weekend. Something happened over the weekend. There's a good chance that we gonna be right under that come Monday. You know what I'm saying? Or if something bad happen, we gonna go. We too close to it for they be doubling down. We had to get back above 750 for me to fucking get back above 749 for me to feel feel confident. But shit, even at that point, it'd be too late. I feel like it's too late at that point. Fuck. What do we want to do? Do we want to roll up? If it keep going up, it could get us to 2,500 without the trade even going positive. Just because we want so much money to do. $507 this week. We did good, son. We did hella good. That last one went for $90. Now imagine if we had all three of them that went for $90. Yesterday, UNG gave us 160. SPY gave us 41, 66, and 46. Let's see, 14. I don't think that's the only one. 18 and 143. And see, took some L's this week. How many L's we took this week? One, two, three. We took 3 L's this week. And we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 wins. But I can't just say they wins like that because a lot of them the same trade. It's just that scaled out. Mm-hmm. Like this buy trade scaled out of it. That's why it's so many. But it's actually one trade. One, two trades, one trade. That's two, three, four, five, six. So it's really six. So it's six trades that we won, and we lost one, two, three. No, that's actually just one trade. Yeah, I just got out at 2 different points. One, two. Yeah. So we won six trades this week, and we lost two. Um, what's the ratio for that? Let's go to Gemini. Gemini question. I made not me. I did. I won 6 trades this week, and I lost 2 trades this week. Okay, but I had a profitable week. I made over $500 this week. So, question: what's my win rate?
Nice work on ending the week in the green. Pulling in over $500 while keeping your losses low is exactly how you protect your capital. Your win rate for the week is 75%. Here is the quick breakdown of how that works out. Total trades, 8, 6 wins plus 2 losses. The math, 6 wins divided by 8 total trades equals 0.75. Hitting a 75% win rate is fantastic, but the real victory here is your risk to reward ratio. Even with 2 losses, your winning trades were sized well enough to clear those losses and leave you
Oh
profit.
shit, I forgot.
That means you're letting your winners run and cutting your losses. Nice work on ending the week in the green. Pulling in over $500 while keeping your losses low is exactly how you protect your capital. Your win rate for the week is 75%. Here is the quick breakdown of how that works out. Total trades, 8, 6 wins plus 2 losses. The math, 6 wins divided by 8 total trades equals 0.75. Hitting a 75% win rate is fantastic, but the real victory here is your risk to reward ratio. Even with 2 losses, your winning trades were sized well enough to clear those losses and leave you with a solid $500 profit. That means you're letting your winners run and cutting your losses early. Keep that same discipline rolling into next week.
And that's what we got to do. Damn, this bitch still dropping, son. All right, so I'm starting to see something. They about to start battling again. I'm looking at it right now. Can I show this shit? Let me see. Oh, yes. Yes, that's exactly what I want to show. Over here, as you can see, these battling out. You got 5,000, 6,000 on the buy side. You're starting to slow up on the sell side. But at the same time, you got a lot of sellers up here at 746.24. So it might push down a little bit more. Look, breaking out. The contract that we had is going strong, son. That's the contract that we had. The price of it. It was just at 250 now. I wish I would have held all 3 of them. But 250 a piece. Shit, man. Hindsight, bro. Hindsight is a motherfucker. You got $12,000, 12,000, 10,000 down here at 745. I'm telling you, son, I really think that there's a strong support at 745. I just don't think that we're gonna probably break that. I hope we don't break that, but you fucking never know. Ooh, that busting through. Boy, the boy, the indexes are fucked up today. But see, this is a good thing though. This is a real good thing because this gives a lot of people a chance to grab a leap. But right now, I don't know. The dollar is soaring, son. The dollar shot up from $9.20 all the way to $10. The fucking the 10-year yield is fucking jumped from what was this? 4.47. That shit jumped from 4.47 to 4.54. That shit is high. The only good thing is oil is going down. It went from a high of 95.4 down to 92.2. So that's the only good thing with macro, with the, you know what I'm saying, the bigger picture. But shit, man, the dollar is fucking killing. Son. People are retreating, son. People are hopping out of stocks. This is not great. I mean, it's good because we having a correction, but it's not great if these stop buying. Mm-hmm. This is the first time we bearish on the 1 hour in fucking in weeks. Last time we was bearish on the 1 hour like this was May 19th, and it was for a brief second. It was just for a day. And this shit right here, this is way worse. This is a big ass fall. Damn. We gotta, oh shit, boy. Alright, so we got a sale on Apple. Apple is actually up today. That's crazy. And then Spy, that contract almost at $300, son. They've just been going sideways all fucking day. Mm-hmm. Tesla down $18. I might take Apple for this short. Nah, I don't like how that look. But the dollar's still fucking surging, son. Damn, this bitch 306. Fuck. Should have held that bitch. Alright, so Apple look like it's still gonna move down. Alright, let's try some shit. Lord knows we need a miracle in this fucking thing. This bitch went right back up. God damn, that shit crazy. That bitch still going. I don't know. All right, that's what I wanted to see. That's what I wanted to see. Trade options every day. Put $88 to not mine. Every joint account. Two of the loans. Of course. 31. 33. Fuck, man. Come on down, bro. Don't do. What the fuck, son? Got a lot of support right there. But if you looking, there's some. Yeah, they got some support right there. It's $20 already. Kind of look like there's more people on the buy side. There we go. Nigga should have probably got XLE shorted. At least they going lower. $31.12. So it's amazing how this shit be happening, son. Trying to get like 100. Would like to. Bitcoin tanking. Well, everything is evolving. Maybe $50. Oh, maybe $60. I know you fucking. It's a good signal though. If you would have took it from the top 313, it was a good signal. I look at that bitch gonna come right down to the pit. Man, that bitch gonna fall, son. Could still get in that bitch. I'm not gonna do it. What I'm thinking about doing is getting out that fucking crash spread. Trying to see what it's gonna do. Is it gonna go back and chill, or is it gonna keep going down? Yeah, yeah, we'll take a loss. It's all good. We made enough to make that loss be okay. And it probably will bounce, but it's all good. I just don't. Ooh, that bitch still going. That bitch still falling. But Apple gonna probably fall. What this is? 311.43. That's what the next big amount is. You got 36 people showing, right? 36,000. I'm taking another short. I don't know. Let me do it on Weeble because I don't want to make that any worse than what it is. See, spot still going down. As people buying. That's why people buying Apple. So you got a lot of people shorting it at 32, 3, 32, 3, uh, 312.75 with my age. I mean, I got a deposit. Oh, yeah. I'm in the wrong one. I don't have any more. Let's just chill. Let's just chill. Cause right now we chasing the move. God damn, that went down to 743. Oh, I'm so glad I got out that bitch. That shit could have been way worse, son. What the fuck? Boy, shit is on sale. I'm glad I'm able to get out with what I was able to get out with. Ooh, look at T Triple Q. That shit went down to $76. Boy, shit is on sale. Look at that bitch. You probably will. Been short all day. We should have took that short. Oh, we should have took that short. Look at that short. We could have made money on ball, or at least UNG. Tilly look like it's going up. Apple put going again. I could chill. So for we end up doing something irrational. I know, sir. I know. Our alerts are official, sir. I know. I know. It could. Oh, look at fuck. Oh, Apple. Oh, fuck. $187 a piece. Sir. We had two of them. Sir. It's going on. It's almost at $200. Missed the bus. Zeke, you gotta do better, sir. You gotta do better, sir. You're doing okay, sir, but there's so much room for growth. We got a buy signal right here. Above support. Um, it's still downtrend though, so I'm thinking it's gonna keep going down. Damn, spot still dumping. And what I said, that bitch gonna keep going down. All right, let's go back and check ball out. Hey, UNG out. Is it continuing to sell? Kinda, yeah. It's slowly pushing. Ball, yep, still pushing down, pushing down. Yep. XLU went up, starting to pull back a little bit. What else? Of course, that was still short. IWM, that short way back here. I'm just going through all the alerts that came through today. I'm just accurate as fuck. At 11:26, 11:26. This right here. Damn. Now imagine if you would have just took it. That shit was a false signal, but it still was right. Because if you would have took that motherfucker right here, 11:26 from 92.8 on down, shit, boy, you would have made some money. You could have just had to go to you go to XLE, the energy. Yeah. Matter of fact, right under it, XLE. When did that go off? At 11:25, same time, 11:26. Right here, right here. So you would have got it on this candle. Now imagine if you would have took that 58.44 all the way down the hill, 57.80. That's a whole dollar. It's like a whole dollar, son. Boy, you got enough contracts. Yeah, you would have, yeah, with the yeah, son. It's all good, son. We learned a lot. Matter of fact, before I get off this bitch, I want to let this shit show. I want to let this shit run. Because I want to come back to this shit. There we go. Yeah, that's how I want to see it too. I want to be able to come back to this shit so I can see this shit. Badly the order flow. You can look at it over here and see what's going on. Tesla down to $300 again. Oh, shit on sale, son. Just wait till the dust settles. That's why I'm not even tripping too much about it. I'm kind of pissed off because we was just up again on fucking joint account. But it's all good as long as I was able to save the breads. If I was able to, manage it, cut the risk, I could get that shit back. That's never the problem. As you see, them alerts come through. So as long as you got cash to deploy, you can make the shit back, son. That's how we did with the joint account, man. We ain't got not the joint account, the main account. My main account had got down to like about $700, and then I was like, you know what, man, I got like fuck it, son. $700 like a high 700. I was like, man, I got like a yeah, something going, something ain't right. And then I locked the fuck all that upstairs. But yeah, locked the fuck and then bang, here we are, $2,400, almost $2,500 in the account. Damn, that bitch is still going down, son. He fucking plus, though. I fucking hate these bitches. Though. These bitches, like, they good when they pulling, but fuck. Sometimes these bitches start pulling. And then I gotta break that just to get that bitch to pull right. Yeah, I think that's gonna make us a better trader, so. Cause now we gonna know where to hold that bitch. For real, so. We gonna know exactly where to hold that bitch to. Where we can go and take profit. Where we can get in at. Where we safe to get in at. This weekend. Damn, spot is fucking still going down, son. That shit at 742. Apple just finally went red on the day. It's down a few cents. This won't let a nigga be great at all. It just keep taking my out. Every time I get the $400 in the shares account, it just be like, nope. It be like, nope. Damn, limits went all the way down to under $9. Shit. It's like, good. Let that bitch keep going. For real, let that bitch keep going. I just seen the yield fall. The yield just fell. It was at what is this? 4.548. Now it's at 4.528. So that might make it start pulling back a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Now you start to see a little pullback. This time. Yeah, there you go. So I feel confident enough to actually feel like I could come in here and get money every day. I think the only thing that be fucking me up now is the fact that I be trying to do these different strategies and shit, like long term strategies, and right now it's just not time for that. And it's not that is the strategy is bad. You know what I'm saying? The strategies aren't bad. They're good strategies to use, but it's just not the right time to use them because it's too much uncertainty. It's too much uncertainty in the market. It just don't make sense right now. Let's go here. Okay. Okay. Up $2.36. It's a defense play. That's why I didn't think about that. I did not think about that shit. I'm gonna start thinking about this shit now. Dude, wait. Question. Do they have volume in XLV? Like in the options? That would be nice to know. Let's check this out. We go to the end of Monday. Yeah, but these fucking ass is wide as fuck. I don't know. We'll go to next week. Them bitches going, them bitches, whoa, them bitches is wide, sir. Them hoes wide, sir. I wouldn't want to fuck that. I wish there was a way to play it option wise. You could short now. Let's see what it said. Daily borrow fee. So they're gonna charge you every day to short it. But if I wanted to short some shit, I can short some shit. Let's say I wanted to be short 5 shares. Estimated credit, you're gonna lose about 2 cents a day. I gotta watch a video on this shit. I don't know. I don't know about shorting. I just kind of don't feel like there's a need to do that because there's like an infinite risk. Oh shit! Look, the apple still look like it's about to go round. Ooh, what this is? This Hellcat Hellcat? See, my fucking what you call them? Elite, son. My alerts. Oh yeah, let's. Oh shit! They ain't got no volume in them. Boy, if they had some fucking volume in these bitches, son, we could take that bitch. Oh shit! Wait a minute. We got all them go longs. Oh, that's why the 10 year still dropping. 10 year dropping, dollar coming off it a little bit. It's not official though. For real, it's not official though. But it's still within the striking distance, just coming off of it a little bit. That don't mean that it's just like about to stop. All right, but let's go on. Let's go back to come on, bro. I wish they had like a something that you could click that says, do you want to not see this again? Because what's the purpose of having hotkeys if you still stop me and ask me a question? All right, so you got 2,000, 3,000, 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000. You got 7,000 down here at 310. I think it's a good chance that you go down here to 310 first before you go back up to 312. So let's see what happens. No, I don't want to do that. I just, damn, I can't just put a fucking, yeah, I just want to put a line. God damn. Oh, right there. And can I get another one? Damn, bro, what the fuck? Dang. All right, now one more. Cause I'm not about to sit here and, you know. All right, let's see that. So what I want to see is where it's gonna go first. I'm thinking it's gonna go lower before it go higher, just because there's buyers down at 310, and there's more people on the sell side than the buy side. There's people buying. Okay, now they're pushing that up. Now you can clearly see the, but you also got 4,000, 1,000 people pushing that down now. They keeping that under 311. Okay. Okay, now they pushing that to 311. 4,000 coming in. Now spot goes short. Probably will take a nap in a few, but I'm gonna let this run because I just want to see what happens. Yeah, they starting to have a lot of people down there. They support starting to look stronger. You got 3,000 right there at 310 holding strong. You got 1,000 at 310.25, and then you got 4,000 at 310.50. Yeah, there's a good chance that we're gonna bounce up a little bit, but how far? That's the thing. Up, here we go, going lower. So what I'm thinking is that we're gonna go try to test 310. The market wants to go test 3. Yep. Okay. 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 See, it's coming down. Look at all this 3,000, 3,900, and there's nothing right there, and it's all at 310. It's all at fucking 310. Look at the price of that contract that we had. Son, we have hit a jackpot, son. And it blew through it. Ooh, it blew through it. 3,000 fucking people at 310 and it blew through 310. Oh shit. Nigga. Son, this is trading, son. I love it, son. I love it, son. Look at this shit. I ain't even in it, son. I ain't even in it. I'm pissed off a little bit, but is the lesson learned is the best part, and the fact that we catching this shit, recording it, is even better. It's even better because now we be able to see and go back and play it. We could journal it. Fuck journal it. We have live audio. We have live footage of how to trade now. This is how we're gonna trade from now on. That boys through 310 came in like a wrecking ball. Yes, and fucking son. That could have put up. Son, if we would have just kept them two contracts on, I think we would have just came back, son. I think we would have really just came back, son. If we wouldn't have came back, we would have been damn close in the joint account back. On the comeback, son. Look at this bitch. This bitch look like it's gonna go for 300. The contract. And it's not even wicking or nothing, son. It's just looking like it's going lower, son. There's nobody to hold that some bitch, son. Yeah, son. That on for 300 a contract, son. What the on here? Let me look at it on here because I want to see how much it's down on the day. It say right there, $1.41. So it could go lower, son. It could be down about $3 at least. See, this is what I be saying, dog. Sometimes it's good, like we saw SPY was down. Sometimes it's good to go check and see what else is going on. Cause when I noticed that Apple was still up $2 on the day and everything else is shitty, I'm like, what the are you doing here? Like, whose man is this? Nigga, 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 like, whose man is this, bro? Like, what you doing? So he just got jumped right quick. He just got jumped right quick. He left his partner and shit. You hear me? So he got jumped. Ooh, boy. Didn't we hit our spot today? I don't forgot. We done took so many trades today. I got 2,300. What I got 20? Oh, because that's also yeah. So I had $500 to that shit. Still up $500 on the week options. Oh, that bitch still going. I told you, son. That bitch could still keep going, son. It's only down a buck 50. That bitch could go down for yep about $2. Nah, son. At this point, I'm chilling. But that's fire though, son. Guess what we gonna be doing next week? We're gonna be running it up. We're gonna be in the joint account trying to run it up, son. And since we know level 2 now, son. Oh man. Oh man. That bitch about to hit $300 a contract. Just came off that bitch. Yeah, we did trade spot today. We had 81%. Damn, I wish we had 3 contracts and had 81%. Even through all the shenanigans, we still up 20% on the week. I think that's dope. I think a lot of that comes from fuck. I'm in trouble. A lot of that shit come from I don't even remember what the I was talking about. Son. Yo, yeah, that's what I was talking about. A lot of that shit come from taking 20%. Always taking 20%. We constantly take 20% on our trades this week. Most of our trades we get out at 20%. We get the 20% and then we'll get a little bit extra, but you know. All right, so, okay, so now look at what's going on, y'all. 30K, 3K, 2K, 2K, 1K. And look at what's on the sell side, not much. That's why we bouncing back. Buys are trying to hold. They they holding all right. 310. They holding that bitch. If you order to play the reversal, this is where you get in at. And you put your stop loss somewhere around 310, somewhere under 310. Because that's where you know you got support at. It's buying right there. Shit, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't play no fucking reversals right now. Hell nah. That bitch down on the day. Everything else down. Ooh, shit. Look. 2 kick. 1 kick. 1 kick. Sellers coming back. You got 4K on the buy side, but after that, there's nobody else home. There's nobody else home at 309, so there's nobody else home at 309, so they can push that bitch down. So. All right, they pulling up. 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 Oh shit! The buyer's pulling up at 310, sir. You get a close, then I'll be like, all right, cool, shit. They can probably push that up, sir. Look at XLV. You gonna fuck around here, 153 watch. Let's go to sellers. Sellers back in, but you still got that 5K down there at 310. They are holding 310, son. Mm-hmm. I look at that. What time it is? All right, y'all. I'm about to go take a nap. And I got what I can get for the day. Next week we're gonna be in the joint account trying to get it back in the trap, trying to run it back up. We're probably just gonna no. See, I be wanting to do shit like have certain shit running on the background, like so I ain't just doing nothing. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I might just have to just do nothing for a little while, or just try to do something in my main account. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out. But the main focus next week is gonna be on the joint account and what that is, the other shit. What's the name of the other shit? Mumu. Try to get both of them up. All right.